Welcome to Zoe's Kitchen. My name is George Baldwin. I'm the regional operator for the Georgia market. Wanted to introduce Zoe's to you guys today and show you what we got going on. Zoe's Kitchen was started in 1995 in Birmingham, Alabama. There actually is a Zoe. It was inspired by her home cooking using fresh ingredients from the garden. It has blossomed into a 72 restaurant concept that is now in the Southeast all the way up to DC area. We use fresh ingredients every day. We're a from-scratch kitchen. We pride ourselves on using those wholesome ingredients that have made us famous from the get-go. Every morning we get produce, chicken, nothing's frozen, everything fresh. It is Mediterranean inspired, so we use a lot of olive oil, a lot of feta cheese. The unique way that we cook things lends itself to a very wholesome menu. We feel that our menu complements some of the other restaurants around the area. We love the Buckhead community and we're really excited to expand into other metro Atlanta areas. At Zoe's Kitchen, we're so excited to be part of the community and very proud of the work that we've done with Susan G. Komen, Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, Covenant House, and other local charities. The great thing about Zoe's is the rate at which we're expanding. We're expecting in the next 5 years 30 to 35 restaurants per year from Texas all the way up to DC. If you've never been a Zoe's customer, now's the time to come try us. We're serving up fresh, from scratch food every day. If you've always been a customer from '95 till now, keep on coming back. We got some great food for you. We're going to be blowing up Atlanta with a ton of locations and look forward to seeing you.